In front of me is UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. If you don't have a suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard, first of all open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down. Then select System. Now you need to click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, click on Text Correction and use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I launch my keyboard now, I can see that my suggestion strip was successfully enabled. If you want to disable it much faster than turn it on, launch your keyboard and click on gear icon at the top of it. Then click on Text Correction and use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!